Interest in earning money online from the comfort of our own homes has increased in recent years. The web's allure is simultaneously a sales channel, a marketing network, and a community hub. Aside from surveys and selling old products on Craigslist, there are many more inventive methods to generate money online. However, certain side hustles and companies are more suited to the laptop lifestyle than others. In this video, we will talk about 10 ways to make money online. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Dropshipping. Many global trends accelerated last year, some for the first time in decades. The emergence of e-commerce was one such development. There are many methods to manage an e-commerce company, some of which need little inventory to be carried and held. Dropshipping is a business concept where you don't hold stock of the things you sell. Instead, when a consumer purchases anything from your site, the item is fulfilled and sent by a third party. Because the initial fees are inexpensive, it's becoming a more popular option for both novices and experts to generate money online. Dropshippers tend to follow the current fashion trends. While there's nothing wrong with riding a hot product wave to success, there are other more stable product categories with equal prospects. 2. Print on demand. Print on demand enables retailers to personalize white label items with their designs and sell them only after a client has purchased them, removing the need for inventory, which makes it a subset of dropshipping. A print-on-demand provider will apply your design to the product, complete the order, and mail it to the customer when the consumer places an order. The most notable benefit of print-on-demand over dropshipping is that you have complete control over the look of your items, which is especially important for product categories where the design is the distinguishing factor, such as t-shirts or fan merch. 3. Create custom products. While the choices above provide the convenience of not having to keep onto pricey inventory, they also have some drawbacks, most notably that you don't have complete control over the goods you're selling. And this is what comes to mind when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands: unique goods that enhance or add fascinating aspects to well-known commodities. I've bought a lot of messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything like the one produced by Vermilier Pell until it arrived at my door. Handcrafted items are popular among jewelry, fashion, and home decor companies. It provides you with complete control over the design and quality of your products. 4. Sell on Etsy. From Etsy to Amazon, every online marketplace has expected benefits and drawbacks. The advantage is that you get access to their network of customers. People visit these sites when they need to purchase something, so opening up a shop allows you to meet them there. Initially, new online producers might utilize Etsy to raise brand recognition. After making their first few sales on Etsy, several companies have successfully transitioned to Shopify. You can continuously operate two businesses concurrently if you have an Etsy shop and don't want to go just yet. Use a free Shopify software like Etsy Marketplace integration once you've set up your Shopify shop. Both Shopify and Etsy make it simple to connect inventory, handle orders, and generate money online. 5. Sell on Amazon. Amazon has evolved into a welcoming platform for e-commerce enterprises. Signing up for an account takes a few minutes, and getting a product listing takes less time. The platform boasts a large audience and a worldwide marketplace and is a go-to site for product discovery and research. Listing optimization may help your items be discovered and open up new doors. In addition, Amazon's in-app marketing may help your business reach highly targeted customers. However, several online businesses are skeptical about Amazon's long-term viability. While the marketplace is fantastic for helping buyers find what they want, it may be difficult for sellers to get their items seen. Many resellers of the same things that you sell flock to Amazon. 6. Sell digital products. Digital items have some of the highest profit margins of any product. Although development expenditures might be considered upfront, the variable costs of marketing digital goods are very cheap. It is not extremely costly to send media or software to clients after it has been created. A digital product is an intangible item that can be sold again without having to replace inventories. They're usually in the form of a PDF, plugin, or interactive document that may be downloaded. Many top professional influencers, bloggers, or public figures have released digital items such as guides, ebooks, templates, research results, plans, and tutorials since they have become a reliable source of passive income. Many artists create digital items to supplement their primary income streams, such as consultancy, education, or memberships. To market your items and earn sales, you may have a presence on Twitter and LinkedIn or construct an email subscriber list. 7. Sell media. Media is the most satisfactory description if you're a content provider looking to sell music, videos, digital art, paid newsletters, magazines, or podcasts. Although media and digital goods seem to be closely connected, the distinction is that media is more tailored toward creative endeavors. For example, a writer launching a paid newsletter subscription or an artist learning how to sell paintings online. The most excellent aspect of selling media is that it allows individuals to express themselves online in many cases. Artists who previously had access to networks, galleries, or PR may now create a brand, grow a following, and earn money doing what they love online. 8. Blogging. You've undoubtedly read a business blog at some time in your life. Blogging allows businesses to share expertise and ideas, establish an audience, and generate more leads and revenue. Blogging offers several advantages, including setting thought leadership in an area and increasing a brand's search engine presence. Blogging for a living has expanded beyond small companies and side hustles. Anyone can now grow an audience and earn a lot of money from their blog by producing great content. In contrast to acquiring information from a business blog, bloggers use a more personal approach that connects with their target audience. 9. Affiliate marketing. So, how does affiliate marketing pay off? To be included as an official affiliate, publishers or individuals must apply for affiliate programs wherever they are offered. Once you've been approved, you'll be able to share an affiliate link for the product or service you want to promote. Remember to include a disclaimer. You'll get credit for the recommendation and a commission if someone buys the product after clicking your link. The compensation amount varies depending on the affiliate network and the goods being sold. For example, recommending a high-ticket account on Amazon.com may pay out hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 10. Online courses and workshops. There's a reason why online classes are so popular. Except for infrastructure, once a course is established, it gains all of the advantages of any digital product. The expenses of delivering the product to new clients are negligible. When you compare it to the requirement to manage inventory that all physical product firms experience, you'll notice that you'll have more minor product-related difficulties as you expand. There is also a need for digital courses and continuing education. Udemy and Skillshare flourish because of this. Your largest stumbling block will be the internet, which offers countless free materials. And the material on every subject is improving by the day. However, keep in mind that although there are many themes to develop content, there are considerably fewer ones people are prepared to pay for. Typically, the most popular courses teach students an essential skill that will help them advance in their careers or get more satisfaction from a favorite activity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.